Hello friends, welcome to IndiaTech. So friends, today we will review and unbox a new watch which is provided by Timex and the model number is Timex Smart 2.0. So in the previous video I unboxed this watch, and in this watch we don't have any Bluetooth calling and SpO2 monitoring. But now in the latest watch, this one, it contains the Bluetooth calling as well as the SpO2 monitoring. So let's see what is mentioned on the box. So on the top we have a watch design, the Timex Smart branding and the Timex Fit 2.0, which is the model number of this. And on the side we have the color touch display. As I told you, it has the feature of Bluetooth calling, so we can make and receive call both, and the watch store 8 contact points inside this. The activity tracking, heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen saturation monitoring, call SMS, media control. Yes, you can control the songs and other media of your phone by using this watch. The sleep tracking, sports mode and the multi-day backup. So the multi-day battery means it contains 200 mAh battery and the battery life is around 7 days. Now the price. So the price mentioned on the box is 5995, so around 6000. And we need to install an app which is mentioned on the box, and finally we can use the watch. So let's open the box and see what's inside the box. So let's open the box. So on the top of the box the brand name is mentioned, the Timex, and inside this we have this beautiful watch. So this is the watch with the blue color band. So it comes in 3 colors, the blue, black and the grey. So we have the blue one, and we have this Timex, and the price is 5995. So let's me keep aside and see what's other thing inside the box. Okay, so we have a charging dock. This is the USB type. You can attach it to your laptop or the charger, and by using this you can charge the watch. It's very comfortable. And let's see what's other thing inside the box. And this is the manual, how can you use the watch. Okay, so let's start the watch. So by long press it's start. Okay, so let's see the features of the watch. So from below we can see the SMS and all the notification. From top we have this night mode and the vibration and the setting. So this is the setting, countdown, brightness, power off and all the things, night mode, reset, these are the things. And when you press this, this is the back button, and on the side you have the steps counter, and from there you can see the other things like this. So this is the very useful UI. So let's install the app. Open the Play Store and type Timex Fit 2.0. So this is our app. Let's install this. So here you need to provide the details like gender. Let me select male, the birthday. This is basically account creation. So you need to provide the permissions of your camera and because you need to call with your watch, so you need to access the contacts on your phone. So I need to allow this, phone book and all. So now this is the user interface of your watch. So this is the dashboard of your app. So let's connect your watch with your app. So click on this icon and click on this add watch. So it is scanning the watch. So watch found, yes, and pair and connect. Okay, so now your watch is completely connected and it will show the watch faces, battery life, alarms, notification, camera and all the things. So this is the watch. So let's try to install some watch face. So these are the watch faces, and we have lots of watch faces, as you can see. So let's install this one. Click on this. So as you can see, the watch face is installed on your watch and it looks nice, right? So let's see some of the features of the watch. From down, this is the notification bar. From top, this is the night mode and the battery setting, like the brightness, right? This is the setting button and this is the vibration. In the setting, we have the stopwatch, alarm, countdown, brightness, phone, night mode, etc. And from this way, you can see the steps count. And this is the BP, this is the SpO2. So let's scan the SpO2 one more time. Just go to this screen and tap. So the SpO2 is 99%. Let's check the BP. So the BP measure is 129 and 71. And this is the phone dialer. This is the important feature and the USP of this watch. So let's try to call. So let's check the calling feature of this watch. So this is the calling feature. So this is the dial pad. So as you can see, by using this watch, I can call on any other number. So let's check the hello. Hi. So is my voice is audible to you?
Yes, it's clear.
Okay, so as you can see, this contains mic as well as the speaker, so we can directly use this watch and call to someone, and by using this we can disconnect also. So I think this is the very good feature of this watch, and it contains the SpO2 and all the things. So let's check the music control by this watch. So let me open the YouTube. App. So let's control the music by this watch. So as you can see, you can play and pause by this button, and you can change the track. So yes, there is no delay and you can easily manage your music by this feature. So let's check the last feature, the camera one. Click on this and here we have the camera. While using the app, give the permissions. So as you can see, now this is the camera and you can click the photo by using your watch. So let me just click on this. So as you can see, the pic is clicked. You can save or cancel. Let's click one more pic. And as you can see, it is also clicked. So by using this, you can control your music, your camera and watch, and this contains the BP thing and the SpO2, which is very essential in this time because we have the COVID, so we need to check the oxygen continuously. And this is waterproof. The battery backup is 7 days. And Bluetooth calling is very useful feature of this watch. So that's it for now. If you want to purchase this watch, I will provide the link in my description. You can click on the link and purchase the watch. And if you like the video, you can hit the like button, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.